Somebody. My name is Chin. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm original from Laos, grew up in West Texas, and I want to show you my favorite dish in the world is egg roll. It's my mom's recipe. She's not the greatest cook in the world, but I kind of, get her idea and put together my own. When I say our favorite, I have so many brothers and sisters. We will fighting and screaming at each other. And the soup, my mom make an egg roll, and then we literally sit on the table and eat, and we're happy and we love each other again for another maybe an hour. I know that's the funny part, but anyway, I'm gonna show the ingredients of what we need. We need some cabbage, mung bean, egg, carrot, onion, pepper, garlic powder, brown sugar, and fish sauce. Of course, you need some beef. You don't have to use ground beef. Be honest, you can use anything you want. You can use pork, chicken, turkey. You can use leftover hamburger meat. You can use fish. You can use whatever your heart decide. You don't want meat? Don't put meat in. Left it out. You could use vegetable. That'd be fine. So you put everything together in one plate. Why? You know why? Put it in two different places. You can use one. Boom, you're done with, and you don't have to do that much dishes. Otherwise, I hate doing dishes, so I just like put everything together. Of course, your hand is you too. Make sure you clean your hand because your family's gonna be eating it too. Or your friend, whoever you want to invite them over. Egg. You put them all together. You put a little bit of brown sugar, pepper, garlic, and some fish sauce. Okay. Make sure fish sauce is very salty. Don't put too much in. Just put as you taste. You use your hand again. Mix them all together and look just like this. Okay. This egg roll filling. I'm gonna teach you how to wrap. You put your egg roll wrapper in the middle of triangle, like a diamond shape. That's what I call them. Sorry, it's a diamond shape. You put as much as you want to. I like mine skinny, thin. It's easier to eat. It's like an appetizer. You fold it in half, push it back, put it in together, roll it very tight. Hand again, egg wash. Use water if you want to. You want egg wash, go for it. I prefer the egg wash. What you do is just nice and neat like this. And then you deep fry it golden brown. I got it done for you already. Here's what it look like. You can use dipping sauce, eat by themselves. Perfect. I am gonna taste my food, so see how good it tastes. Dip it in, taste it. Oh my God, it's so good. It's nice and crispy. One thing about this egg roll, you can leave it out. It's just nice and crispy, stick in the oven, you'll be perfect to go. Okay, I just want to share you my dish and thank you so much for, thank you so much. Hope you like. I like. Bye.